Hello everyone, we are very pleased to participate to Menzendorf Autumn Tasting. We are there in Ayala and I just want to tell you 2 or 3 important messages around the brand. As you know, Champagne Ayala is one of the most historic champagne houses founded in 1860 in Haï. And right from the start, Champagne Ayala was very successful because they were the first to develop a drier style of champagne back with the vintage 1865, and this is still in the DNA of the house today. Ayala has always been independent and family owned. We belong to the Bollinger family since 2005. Which is very important when we speak about Ayala is to say that Ayala is the house of Chardonnay. We use more than 50% of Chardonnay in whole our blend. But more importantly, we use a fantastic diversity of cru and village to craft our wine. In the Brut Majeur, the most emblematic cuvée of the house, we use more than 70 different crus and we let the choice to the cellar masters to pick the best grapes possible to craft this fantastic wine. Another point which is also important regarding Ayala is the style of the house. Ayala is all about purity and balance. The purity with the use of very small stainless steel tanks, no barrel fermentation for Ayala, and the balance, of course, due to the long aging in our cellars, more than 3 years for Brut Majeur, more than 6 years for Blanc de Blanc, and for the Prestige Cuvée, more than 10 years of aging on the lees. The dosage also is very important, less than 7 grams for all these cuvées. I hope that you will enjoy this tasting, have a great tasting, and we welcome you as soon as possible in Haï.
Grande maison de champagne à Haï, au cœur des grands crus depuis 1860, Champagne Ayala se distingue par la pureté de son style. Issu d'un savoir-faire préservé, chaque cuvée exprime l'élégance du chardonnay, cépage emblématique de la maison et la singularité d'un lieu où tout est fait à demeure à partir d'une diversité de crus unique en Champagne. Ce travail sur mesure, sans artifice, révèle l'essentiel. Ici, l'assemblage est un art et la pureté, une signature.